any component of the Splunk which will index the logs. So which component index the logs? Indexer, right? However, heavy forwarder, you understand, collect, parse, and forward the logs. But you have the option. Ideally, by default, heavy forward, collect, parse, and forward. But you have the option to store the logs locally also. That is not a default option. But in case, for example, you have 3 data center, all data center you have, if you want to deploy heavy forwarder locally, ideally default setting is not to store the logs. Means it will not index the logs and not store the logs locally. But you have the option to store local copy of the logs. Each heavy forwarder, particular heavy forwarder. If particular heavy forwarder you want to store the local copy of the logs. Of course, if it is going to store the local copy of the log, that means it will going to index the logs, right? That means here heavy forward is going to index the logs. In that case, we have to apply the